Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Giska Aulia Putri Anggraini with name 1923-2583 from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Tegal City. Here, I will discuss inside the computer and hardware. Inside the computer, table of content. Number 1, about computer. Number 2, type of computer generation. And 3, part of computer. About computer. Computer are electronic devices that can store, retrieve, and process data. They consist of hardware like the central processing unit or CPU, memory, storage, and software, which include operating system and application. Type of computer generation. Number 1, first generation, characterized by vacuum tubes and large size. Number 2, second generation, feature transistor and smaller size compared to first generation computer. Number 3, third generation, marked by integrated circuit and the emergence of mainframe computer. And number 4, fourth generation, introduce microprocessor, leading to the development of personal computer. Number 5, fifth generation, focus on artificial intelligence and advanced programming language. And the part of computer. There is CPU or central processing unit, often referred to as the brain of the computer. The CPU executes instructions and processes data. And there is RAM or random access memory. This volatile memory temporarily stores data and program instruction that the CPU is actively using. And there is HDD, hard disk drive, or SSD, solid state drive. There are non-volatile storage devices used to store data permanently. HDDs use spinning disks, while SSDs use flash memory. And there is motherboard. This is the main circuit board that connect all the other components of the computer, allowing them to communicate with each other. And part of computer, there is input device like keyboard, mouse, and touchpads allows user to input data and commands into the computer. And output device like a monitor, printers, and speaker display or output information processed by the computer. And the last, expansion card. This card can be added to the motherboard to provide additional functionality, such as sound card, network adapter, and graphic card. And I can tell about hardware. Table of content. Number 1, about hardware. Number 2, hardware function. Number 3, type of the hardware. And number 4, example of computer hardware. About hardware. In general, a collection of physical components in a computer whose job is to ensure the computer can function as it should. Or, in other words, hardware can also mean physical computer device that can be touched, the contents of which are related to the computer's working system. And there's according to expert Sunarto S. Kom, hardware is an electronic data processing system supporting device that can be felt and touched. Wijaya Aryana and Denny Arifianto, hardware is a computer component that can be felt physically, that is, it can be seen and touched. And last, Yuda Yudahanto, Yunus Sulistyo, and Dedi Gunawan. Hardware is the physical components that make up a computer. And there is hardware function as a support for electricity, storage, output, process, and input. All types of hardware will be connected in an integrated system so that it can be used for data input, processing, and output. And there is types of hardware. Number 1, input hardware, device that can be used to enter data into a computer. The data that has been entered is processed in a process. Number 2, process device, a device that processes data on computer. And number 3, hardware output, hardware on a computer that is used to print and display information from the result of input data originating from input, hardware that has gone through a process from the hardware process. And there is CPU or Central Processing Unit, to manage all program instruction on the computer and as a place to manage all activities that occur on the computer. And there is hard disk, to boot the computer. The operating system storage media is very large so that user can store a lot of data there. And there is casing, for placing hardware components, for example, power supply, floppy disk, motherboard, CD-ROM, and DVD-ROM. And there is tube monitor or CRT, LCD, and LED, for screens that include turning the display on and off, controlling the brightness, contrast, and position of the resulting video information. An example of computer hardware, and there is speaker and there is headset, to produce electrical signal processing in the form of sound, which is very important is running a computer. And there is keyboard, to enter character and function into a computer system by pressing button. And there is mouse, to control the cursor and in the GUI and can move it to select text, icon, files, or folder. On a laptop, it's called touchpad. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.